Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another hair related video, but it's on a topic I've never done before, and that is how to tone your hair extensions at home. Now, I'd say it's like 50 and 50 for me. 50% of the time I get the extensions that I order, whether they're halos, clip-ins, tape-ins, wefts, etc. They seem to match and I don't need to put lowlights in them or tone them. But other times, and I'm going to show you today, I will get extensions and the tone is completely off and they're more kind of gold or yellow than I want them to be. And instead of, getting a shade up or swapping them out, you can just tone them at home. You don't need to take them to the hairdresser. You could just do it from the convenience of your own home. So I'm going to show you the perfect example of this. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see how I tone my hair extensions at home, then just keep watching. Before I get into showing you how I tone my hair extensions at home, I wanted to mention the hair that I'm going to be working with. So I got these hair extensions in the mail the other day and I was like, oh my goodness, it's beautiful hair, but the color is not there. But the hair, I did take the hair out of the box, but it is from the company Newtimes hair. That's what the box looks like. And again, I am filming this, so it's mirrored, so it's going to be backwards, but it says Newtimes hair. Now, this website has a wide variety of hair. It has clip-in hair extensions, tape-in hair extensions, halos, hair toppers. It even has men's toupees. It has all different colors, wide variety, 100% human hair, which is very important, especially with toning, which I'm gonna get into, because I've had issues with toning hair that they say it's 100% human hair and I have issues with it. So this is 100% human hair and I will have a link down below and a coupon code. So this time around, I wanted to go with a little bit longer of hair extensions so that when I do curl my hair, it still looks long, because once you curl your hair, depending on how tight the curl is, it can really shorten the hair. So I went with 20 inches this time. And I went with the shade 22. Now, if you've been watching any of my hair videos, you're going to say, wow, usually you're 613 or 60, which is platinum and bleach blonde. But I am a little bit darker of a blonde. Last year, I was on like the bleach blonde, platinum blonde. I'm just not doing that anymore. So that's why I didn't want to go for the 60. And the 613 and the 22 on their website looked pretty close. So I'm like, let's try the 22. So I got the 22 in the mail and I was like, oh my goodness. And then I was contemplating on sending it back for a different shade, but I'm like, you know what? Why don't we try toning it? So I don't know if you're going to be able to notice a difference here, but the problem with this is that it's a little bit too yellow or goldish for my liking, and that's where toning comes in. And when I say tone, I am talking about using purple shampoo, which for blondes is a lifesaver. But what I did and what I recommend to do when you are toning your hair at home, your hair extensions at home, is to do a small tester piece. And I tested out one of the single clip wefts. So this one is already toned. The rest of the hair is what we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So when I hold up two of the single clip wefts, you can immediately see the difference. Do you see how this one's toned and this one is more of that yellowish goldish? So it made a really big difference. And again, I can even hold this up to this and you totally can see that difference right there. It's kind of dark out, so I don't know if the lighting is, being wonky, but you can see the difference. So I'm like, great. Now, what I will say is this hair, I had no issues toning. In the past, when I have toned hair with purple shampoo, hair extensions that claim to be 100% human hair, I would tone it for literally a couple seconds and it would turn white, completely white, and then I just couldn't use it. Or the purple shampoo would stick on spots of the hair. It would like cling to parts of the hair extensions and you'd see purple in it. And it's almost impossible to get the purple stains out. You can use clarifying shampoo. They say dish soap, this, that, whatever. It's just overtoned, whatever. It doesn't. So this right here is why I do a test. So I'm not ruining all the hair, because I have done that in the past. So when I did the test and it came out this beautiful, perfect, there's no purple in it, it's not white, it's not overtoned, I was super, super happy. So that's why I recommend doing a test. I'm going to do this in my kitchen. And as I mentioned before, I do recommend doing a tester piece. And this is the tester piece that I did, but you can see the difference right away. You can see more gold yellow on this side and then on this side, it's toned. So these are the extensions that we're gonna wanna get that kind of like goldish, yellowish brassiness out of. So I'm gonna set this tester piece aside, but right away you could see the difference right there. So we do not need to tone that. Now, I would recommend not doing this in the shower because you don't want to risk overtoning the hair. It's just easier to do it with a bowl of water, which you're going to see in a second. I've got a bowl of water here, and you are going to need purple shampoo. This one right here, I love. It's the Schwarzkopf, if I'm saying that correctly, Blonde Me Cool Blondes. I've had no issues with this, you guys. I don't even have to dilute it with shampoo. Now, if you're new to toning hair extensions or even your hair, you can dilute it with shampoo, meaning you can add regular shampoo in with this. I don't have issues with it. Other purple shampoos in the past have turned my hair purple, or I feel like they're just not doing anything or not toning anything, getting the gold tones, the brassy tones, or yellow out. So this one's a really good one. I will link it down below. This comes with, we've got two clip wefts here, and then there's a 4-clip weft right there. We have 2 3-clip wefts right here. And then we have, I believe, 3 or 4 total single clip wefts. I think I'm just missing one. So it definitely comes with a lot of hair. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just squirt a little bit of purple shampoo in. It doesn't even have to be a lot. And then I'm just gonna take a spoon and stir it like this. This is going to make the water evenly purple so that you're not getting any kind of like purple spots on the hair. And that's why I recommend don't put the shampoo directly on the hair, just do it in the bowl. So that's what it should look like, as you guys can see. And then this is the important part. It's better to take it out sooner than leave it in too long. So I'm gonna take this one right here, and we're going to, and I have a towel over here too that I'm gonna put them on. And you're just gonna wash it. So I have it in there, just like a couple seconds, and you can already like start eyeballing it and taking it out and seeing the color that it is. But you don't need to leave it in long. So I'm just gonna dunk it maybe a little longer. And that's it, you guys. I'm gonna take it out. Again, if I feel like I need to go in a little bit longer, I can, but that's what it looks like. And I can already tell that those like brassy, yellowy tones are out. So I'm gonna set that aside, and then I'm gonna take another one and do it again. But it's that simple, you guys. Again, the most important part is to do a tester piece because you don't know the quality of the hair. And I love that no purple is clinging to this hair, because I've had that in the past, and trying to get the purple out of the hair is just another story. So I would definitely recommend this hair. All right, so I'm gonna take that out, and then I'm just gonna continue doing the rest of them. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful to you. I've never shared this before, but it's something that's very common, especially for blonde hair extensions. And this is great because you don't need to take it to the hairdressers. I've had extensions in the past where I used to do lowlights. That's a different story, but it's a simple fix to just tone things if it's a couple tones off, or if it's looking a little bit too brassy, gold, or yellow for you, which in this case it was. I didn't have to return the extensions. I would 100% recommend these extensions, especially because I had no issues toning them. The quality's really nice. So again, I will have them linked down below. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.